too soon. What have you done?
So thank you for coming out to this installment of the Bay Area R Users Group. Have any of you been to the user group before? Hands? Great. So how many of you out there are data scientists? How many of you out there are data engineers? DevOps? Developers? Developer evangelists? All right. Of those of you in the data engineering side and the data science side, how many of you are struggling with issues in data ingestion? Like getting the data ingested into some kind of a system, fighting with schemas and all that sort of thing? How many of you guys are dealing with data transport issues, getting data from one place to another? Okay. How many of you guys are dealing with, and girls, are dealing with data analytics issues? Okay. What I've described to you is basically the data analytics pipeline, and that is what Treasure Data does. We are a cloud-based data analytics pipeline. We were started a few years ago. We were based on FluentD, which is the unified logging layer, an open source tool. Eventually, we expanded that. We included our data connector, so our bulk import. If any of you have ever heard of the open source tool called mbulk, that is another way of bulk importing data. We also deal with the data transport, the data analytics side as well. We have a Presto and a Hive engine as well. And we can format the data into any framework you want or any format you want. The one thing we don't do actually is data visualization, but we're able to frame your data and get it set up so that you can use it in other frameworks like R or Pandas or Python. How many of you out there are using R right now already in your analytics work? So most of you. Has anyone started, anyone using Pandas or Python as well? So a few of you. Well, we get the data all ready for formatting in those frameworks and manipulating in those frameworks. And without any more ado,